All right, as a cold day today, brought my beanie in here. We are having those winter chills. Now, it's not waterproof, but it keeps my ears nice and warm and my head because I'm a bald guy too. So it's perfect for those kind of things, scenarios that you want to do. So you guys are looking for a great beanie all around. I brought it to the shop today. It's cold, but not my head, not my ears. All right, so it's getting a little chilly this morning and you want to go out jogging and take a little stroll, but you want to protect yourself. Especially me, I'm a bald guy, as you can see, and I really, I get cold really quick. So these beanies are perfect for that, right? They're stretchable, and if you're going to be running around, they're breathable too. Now, one of the great things about this is it doesn't matter what size of head you have, they fit perfect. Now, they do indicate their logo right in the front. They have an attachment inside so you can know what's in and out, because believe it or not, there's a lot of beanies out there that don't even ask you or say anything. So you can fold it up into one, face the direction you want. The logos, like I said, either way, you can set this up. And the great thing about it is that they have different colors. So if black's not your style, maybe brown, or if brown's not your style, maybe cream. So like I said, these are perfect for everyday use. Really, really breathable, stretchable every direction. Material is well made. Like I said, it's gonna fit pretty much any hat size you want. So these make a great gift for anybody or for yourself. Like I said, if you're making a run on the jogging, set these up and you're ready to go.